book entitled The Wealth of the Nation once said, no society can surely be flourishing and happy, of which the far greater part of the members are poor and miserable. The effect of the perennial malfeasance that has come to characterize the public life in Nigeria are so numerous. Poverty, collapse of the educational system, and unemployment of the youth. These have resulted in a precarious security situation in which we find ourselves in. Presently, the Nigerian state is being confronted with a lot of security menace, such as armed banditry, grand-scale oil theft, better known as oil bunkering. Well, what a kidnapping for ransom. Even the journalists are not spared. And the monstrous Boko Haram insurgency. This is even the biggest menace that we are facing. Because the insurrection of the Boko Haram is threatening to tear apart our fragile social harmony. The truth is, we need to realize that security and development are intertwined and symbiotic. This is because economic activity thrives better in a society that can guarantee the safety of lives and property, while insecurity slows down the pace of progress and the free flow of foreign direct investments. And the next effect, unemployment will soar, infrastructure will deteriorate, poverty will become pervasive, and the people will become displaced. Is this what we want, my people? Is this what we want? Ladies and gentlemen, there is no doubt that poor leadership and an alert population has dominated our bare motherland. Adam Smith's prediction about society being poor and miserable is very relevant to our situation in Nigeria today. But the big question is, what is the way out? We are not secured in any way. How are we going to be secured? The only solution is for us to go back to God. Yes, we need to go back to God. Have the fear in Him, in us. We need to embark on an holistic approach. Yes, we need to start the enthronement of good governance and fortress leadership, whereby the government will do more than merely lip service, and we pay more attention to the security of human lives in Nigeria. We need to realize that we as citizens, we also have a role to play. We must not keep quiet when we see insecurity. We must report strange incidents to the right and appropriate causes at the right time. We must come together and look for our neighbors. Muslims, Christians, idol worshippers, we must be peace-loving. We must realize that the God we are serving does not condone violence and hatred. The government should stick to these great words of Kofi Annan, the former Secretary General of the United Nations. Kofi Annan once remarked, corruption equals growth, distorts the market, and denies the majority of the commonwealth share. I want you to know that a country with honor and glory is a country that is free of corruption. The